Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Bitcoin from Kucoin to Gemini in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just switching exchanges, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Kucoin and Gemini, with some Bitcoin in your Kucoin wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the latest versions of these platforms, as crypto interfaces can change. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and select Bitcoin. Look for the Withdraw option. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste in your Gemini Bitcoin wallet address. To get this, quickly switch to your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Remember, Bitcoin transfers typically use the BTC network, so ensure that's selected to avoid errors. Step 3. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Kucoin might charge a small amount, and network fees can vary based on blockchain congestion. Always withdraw a bit more than you need to cover these costs. Step 4. Review and confirm everything. Double-check the wallet address, amount, and network to prevent sending your Bitcoin to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that could lead to permanent loss. Step 5. Hit the confirm button on Kucoin. You'll likely receive a confirmation email or two-factor authentication prompt for security. Once approved, the transfer will be initiated. Finally, head back to Gemini and monitor your wallet. Transfers usually take 10 minutes to an hour, but it can vary. Once it shows up, you're all set. For safety, always use hardware wallets for large amounts and keep an eye on market volatility. There you have it, a simple guide to transferring Bitcoin in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.